Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about customizing Act software. One of the biggest things I find when I work with people that are longtime Act users is many times they haven't taken the time to customize Act, the fields, the information that can be held within Act for their business and the way they work. And one of the best things to do to make you more efficient using Act software is customizing fields. What do I mean by that? Well, you can add unique fields to Act that match your business. Also, there's more than 13 types of Act fields you can enter. For example, you could actually enter a field that would hold a picture or of some kind of graphic. So for example, if you want to keep a picture of the person from maybe their LinkedIn profile, you could do that. So now you have a little bit more of a personal connection because you have their photograph in the contact information. And I find personally that's a great way to sort of remember who people are or sort of understand them. It's just a little bit of a closer interaction with them because you see a face, you put a face to a name. So when I look at Act, the questions I ask are, okay, what is your business? What is the information you're trying to track? And how can we add that information into Act so you don't have to spend a lot of time entering information, yet the information is right there in front of you. And again, by examining the layout, the kinds of fields you can enter, I think you'd find Act really can expand to meet your capabilities. It's just a matter of how do you do that? Well, that's what this course does. It teaches you how to make the most out of Act software and get it to work exactly for your business. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here, and I hope you enjoy this course. Have a great day. Bye now.